Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can make your videos look very laggy using this video effect. So add in your video to the timeline, go to effects, and you're actually going to go to texture, select doodle diary, and you can either add it on top of the video or like in it, so like just overlay it and put it in the video. You're going to delete filters, texture, and stickers, and you're going to keep the speed. Now, you can also like adjust like how laggy you want it to be. As you can see, it made it super laggy because of the speed. Here you can edit the effect here and adjust the speed there. If you want to make it super laggy, I think you move it to, you move it to the left if you want it super laggy. If you don't want it to be super laggy, move it to the left side. See, as you can see, lag to the left, not very laggy to the right. But yeah, just experiment, with the effect. And yeah, I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!